tutorials. Today we are going through how to process house cleaning in your Wagemaster file. Alrighty, let's jump right in. So first of all, to perform a house cleaning process, you just need to make sure you finalize the wages for the previous financial year, and also you don't have any adjustment or any update required. So once you confirm with everything, ideally this can be, I would suggest, once you finalize the wages, give out like a month or two, just wait for it to see if it's any employee comes up with any issue, or if you find out something not right with your reported wages or the superannuation that you need to update, please do that. So, and once you 100% confirm that you don't need, you can perform this task. But in the other hand, like, because this Wagemaster file also link with the Wagemaster into the Wagemaster file manager, you can always go through your previous file history revision and open or get access to the previous data even though you perform the house cleaning file. So I will go through that process once we complete the house cleaning. Now what you have to do, once you open your Wagemaster, you just need to click on the file, then you scroll down to maintenance and click on house cleaning. It will open up the house cleaning wizard. Just click on next. So according to this file, the last financial year is the 22-23. So click on next. I don't have any terminated employees in 22-23. If you do have, you will get the list of employees that you are terminated in the financial year. Then click on next. Always click as house cleaning for the previous financial year. Choose this option to keep the year-to-date values for the ATO payment summary. So even though you perform the house cleaning, it will get rid of all the terminated employees, but it will keep the ATO year-to-date values for the payment summaries for this financial year. So click on next. So this is going to perform delete non-payslip data for 0 terminated employees and keep for 0 because we don't have any terminated employees. Delete all payslip, keep ATO payment summary values. House clean audit details, proceed with the house cleaning. So once you click on next, it's going to perform the house cleaning. Then click on next. This is the compact repair utility. Click on next. So welcome to database maintenance. So it's going to do a quick database maintenance to remove that data and just make sure there's no errors in there. So tick that compact database option, click on next. Database maintenance has been completed. Now you only have to click on finish. So this is how you process the house cleaning process. Now, as I said, once you process the house cleaning, so all the 22-23 financial year payslip and everything going to be deleted from your file. Now, just in case if you want to access it, how you can access it, you go into your file Wagemaster file manager, and this can be the most recent revision that we did a house cleaning. So you can select any previous these revisions, go and click on these 3 small dots and open file as read only. I strongly suggest you to, whenever you do a house cleaning, just make sure you add a note so you do have like a trace on your file history, and it would be easy to restore any file if it's required. Alrighty, thank you for watching everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help center articles or book one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this a video a like if you enjoy it. Have a great day.